How can I use the Avalanche Debt Payoff Method to tackle my debt and pay it down faster? Hey, I'm Coach Hill, personal finance expert and money coach to the NFL. I love helping people win with their money, so I founded Financial Footwork after years of coaching and training pro athletes. I took what I learned from the pros and I made it all about you training your money for success. Now I help people all over the US understand and handle their finances. I've worked with thousands of people, from pro athletes to active military members, college students to CEOs, families just starting out to that single boss babe killing the game. So smash the subscribe button, like this video, and go grab our money management toolkit so you can start tracking your debt payoff goals today. So let's talk about it. The Avalanche Debt Payoff Method is all about reducing the total interest you pay on your debt as quickly as possible, while keeping as much money in your wallet while you're doing this process. Here's the framework for setting and executing the Avalanche Debt Payoff Method. Step 1, write out your credit card debt, everything you have, on one piece of paper or using one Excel document. Step number 2, organize and prioritize your debts by the highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate. And step number 3, start making payments. Now we have the steps. Let's look at an actual example of how the Avalanche method could work for you. List out all of your debts, either on that Excel document or a piece of paper. Here's what you will need on that document to start tracking your debt. First, the credit account, who you owe money to. Discover Card, American Express, your bank, Visa, you name it, put it on the piece of paper. Second, the interest rate for the debt. How much interest are you actually paying? 3, the balance you owe on the credit account, current balance down to the penny. And number 4, the monthly minimum payment that you'll be able to find on your statements. Once everything is on paper and you've organized your debts from the highest interest rate to lowest interest rate, it's time to start tracking your debt payments, starting from the highest debt to the lowest debt. Remember, during this process, you need to make all of your monthly minimum payments. Any money left over should be used to tackle the first credit account on your list. Implementation is key. You have to get all of the information in one place, set your priority list, and then chip away at those balances, card by card. Use your budget to tackle each payment and keep track of your debt as you go. Seeing that success will help you stay focused on your goals. I hope you found this information helpful and easy to implement. Remember to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and grab our money management toolkit containing our debt payoff tracker so you can start tackling your debt payoff goals today.